Huh? Ah!
Hi everyone, today we wish to share with you Lockout Tagout. Remember, this is not Lockout Tagout, this is Lockout Tagout. So why do we use Lockout Tagout? Lockout Tagout prevents accident during repair. It is a safety procedure to ensure that machines are properly shut off and will only start up again prior to the completion of maintenance. For example, I wish to repair my 3D printers. We will disconnect the power of the machine and apply a lockout device. We put a lock to it so no one will accidentally turn on the power. We will also put a tag so that others will know the repair work is in progress and is carried out by me. If they need to use the machine, they will need to approach the person in charge, as he holds the key. However, for machines with stored energy, such as the capacitor or chemical pipes, there will be an additional step. That is to release the energy first before applying the lock. This is to make sure that there is no residual energy that will leak out during the repair that may cause injury. So, why don't we just use the tag? People tend to ignore the tag. Having a lock provides a physical barrier. Remember, always follow your company's lockout and tagout procedure when repairing and maintaining the machine. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment below.